Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. Have you ever encountered this issue when using OneDrive for synchronization? Some folders keep showing their status of being sync pending, even though the OneDrive icon on the taskbar indicates up-to-date status. Sometimes a file may be stuck and never sync. This video will show you 3 quick ways to fix this problem. Part 1. What does sync pending mean on OneDrive? Part 2. Best 3 ways to solve OneDrive sync problem. First, let's take a look at sync pending. Sync pending means that a folder or file is waiting to be synced. OneDrive offers a limit on the file upload size. When the uploaded file exceeds the upload limit, the sync pending will occur. Besides that, poor network connection or insufficient OneDrive space will also affect the OneDrive sync process. Then how to get rid of OneDrive sync stuck? Here are 3 ways to help you fix this problem quickly. Way 1. Pause and resume syncing process. Right-click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. Then click Pause Syncing in the contact menu. Select 2 hours. Open the storage path of OneDrive and find its sync folder. Then select the file to drag to the desktop. Back to the taskbar and right-click the OneDrive. Choose Resume Syncing in the right-click menu. Then we can see if the OneDrive is syncing normally. Way 2. Reset OneDrive. Sometimes a reset is the best way. Here we introduce you 2 methods for resetting OneDrive. Number 1. By search for run. Search run in the taskbar search box and then press enter. Type the following command and press OK. In case the icon on the taskbar does not appear in a few minutes, you need to execute the following command instead. After that, we will notice the OneDrive icon shows up. This means that the file is being synchronized. After the synchronization is complete, check whether all the files are synchronized correctly and whether the problem is resolved. Number 2. By OneDrive setting. Right-click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar, then choose Settings in the menu. After that, you need to turn to the account window in the OneDrive settings and then choose Unlink this PC. OneDrive setup will appear again. You need to complete this wizard and set it up. Way 3. Free file sync software. If the above methods cannot solve the OneDrive sync pending problem, I strongly recommend you to use Almay Backup Standard. We can easily solve it with this free software and never run into the above and other OneDrive sync issues again. You just need to search Almay Backup Standard in Google to download and install it. Run Almay Backup Standard and come to its homepage. Click Sync on the left panel and select Basic Sync. Next, you need to click on the option of Add Folder to choose the files from the hard drive that you want to sync to the OneDrive. Click to choose the cloud drive. Select OneDrive Cloud and click OK. Click on Start Sync to perform the operation. This video introduced 3 quick ways to fix OneDrive sync pending error. Hope this video can help you a lot. Want to know more about Almay? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.